my friendship with Chris started off with his Audi, which he still has. So I think it was a good idea on his last day here. Let's put together the two parts that we've kind of been holding off on, which is the S4 mirrors and then the moldings as well. So that would be a fun little project that we can actually work on the car and get it done.
Nice.
Right?
Yeah,
Okay, let's do this!
We got the resident editor
Yes.
right here. What are you
Same.
saying?
I don't know what I'm saying. I'm struggling. But I'm gonna figure it out.
Looks like you're working on some fire over there.
It will be. It will be. It's a matter of time.
All right, man.
Yes,
Looking
sir.
forward to it. I'll leave you in the dungeon. Do you want the light off? Is that even a question?
That's what makes it a dungeon. Thank you.
No problem.
$22,000 claim on the car, and they don't write it off because of the accidents. You just drop it off on 1 mile. And this happened very recently.
Yo,
What's up?
what you got going on today, bro?
Some paperwork, some admin stuff, taxes, you know, all the fun stuff. Yeah,
Sounds
today
boring.
is Chris's last day. He was the one in charge of handling a lot of this administrative stuff. So now we've been spending the past week or so just catching me up on it. Yeah, paperwork, man. I've been avoiding it long enough, but now it's time to step up to the plate and do all this fun stuff, right?
So today I am running through all the podcasts that we have recorded. Today I'm running through the Andrew Wadwani one. These are my timestamps. Yep, I'm almost halfway through it. And this one is like 2 hours and a bit. So, but it's a really fun listen. So make sure you check it out when we release it.
I have to. Thank you, Chris, for bringing these. This guy on his last day brings us Krispy Kreme, yo.
You guys like it? You guys
So
enjoy
good.
it? I haven't even taken a bite yet.
Yeah, you got to, bro. Why didn't you bring 2 of them, bro?
I'm trying to like, chill on the sugar. That's why. It is my last day. I'm just trying to tie up some loose ends.
How you feeling?
And I feel good. It's bittersweet, but it's not to say that I won't come back, right? And I would love to kind of do other sorts of projects, or at least get a car wash or something.
Hopefully it doesn't take too long to do it. Hopefully I don't have to pull David into this install. These have been sitting around. Chris has had these for a while. These are the door moldings. The moldings on this side are okay. I think it's the one over here. Oh, so at the bottom.
Yeah.
So it's like warping. It's like flaring out right here. So we're gonna put them on, change it out for Chris. I think this is a pretty common problem with this generation, but he's kind of got a black and silver theme with the contrast of the chrome trim,
Yeah.
the wheels. So we'll be changing out the black mirrors with the S4 mirrors. So at least there's going to be a nice silver contrast, which is going to go with this theme really nicely.
What's up? It's lunchtime and we got some food from one of our favorite spots. It's kind of a special one today because we are kind of eating with Chris for one of the last times he's going to be with the team. So we kind of wanted to make it a bit more special and send him off with positive vibes and wishing him all the best. And what better way to do that than to sit down and eat together, right? We have just finished lunch. It was amazing, and now I'm about to go to sleep. Boss man.
Yo. What's up?
Is there anything you want to tell Mr. Chris there?
Chris joined our journey kind of at a point where I was pretty stressed out. You know, I think we had just finished renovating majority of the shop, and then, you know, Pang passed away, and I was going through like a really rough patch, and I was trying to figure out how to launch our social media. And then he reached out, offered to help. Having his help at the beginning, it meant a lot. You know, his goal was to kind of get us off to a running start, and he did just that, right? So Chris, you know, I'm super grateful to have had your help for the past year. You know, you've definitely left your mark at Kodawari. Excited to see your next chapter and where you take not only your journey as a father and as a creative, as well as, you know, where you take this car and everything else. So as always, love you, man, and I appreciate all the help and everything you've done for Kodawari.
Yeah. Well, it's nice working with Chris. Great guy. Miss him for sure. I know he'll be back. You know.
Right.
Yeah. We're all gonna miss you. All the best, of course, on his journey. Don't forget about us.
Mr. Chris Nguyen, big shout out to you. It's been a hell of a ride since you've hopped on board with us. You know, it's always gonna be bittersweet, these types of situations, but we understand you're moving on to that next step in your life. We have nothing but love and wish you all the best. It's been really good having you here. You definitely were a crucial member of the team. It wouldn't have been the same, you know, if you weren't here in the beginning. You really laid down foundation for us in terms of, you know, scheduling, covering our asses, and making sure that the numbers were correct and we were heading in the right direction. We can't thank you enough for that, man. So wherever life takes you, wherever you are destined to go, I know you're gonna get there.
Hey Chris, I just want to say thank you so much for your time here at Kodawari. It was much needed, and your support here was refreshing to have someone come in. You already know all this. We've talked about this. You know, we really vibe the same, and I thank you for understanding me and supporting now and myself through everything. So yeah, just want to say thanks. See you soon.
Chris, you brought me onto the team without really knowing me too well. You put a lot of trust into me. You know, through my time here at Kodawari, you were always there for me. Anything I needed. You really taught me a lot about, you know, business, a lot about, you know, your personal life. Just, you taught me a lot in general, and I have a lot of respect for you for that, and I really, really appreciate that. I know you're moving on to bigger and better things, and I'm just really fortunate that you were able to work alongside me as well as everybody here at Kodawari. So I just want to say thank you, and see you.
Hey Chris, I'll miss your laughs, because whenever I hear you chuckle in the front of the office, it reminds me to like slow down a bit and to have fun and not overwork. I'll miss your pauses and David can finally eat a banana while you're watching him. And thank you for hiring me and taking a chance on me without even knowing me also. And also for having Nels back here and all of ours. I wish you all the best, and always reach out if you ever need a hand. Take care for now. It was a pleasure working with you.